Hey, what's up, friends? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So, happy Sunday. So, today is the 12th of November 2023, and this is the weekly analysis video. So, I'll get right into it. In this video, I'm going to just update us with where we are and some expectations. There's some things that came to my mind while I was looking at where things are right now. So, I'll just share those things with you on Euro USD and Pound USD just to show you what I'm thinking about and what I expect to likely happen, and the points to look at if those things don't happen that way, and how to take advantage of it going forward. So, first of all, let me start from Pound USD. I'm on the monthly chart on Pound USD, and this is what it looks like right now. Yes, this is a new month and it's still new, but you can see that last month ended as a doji, and this month has rallied above the high of the previous month. So I am still looking, because of this move, I'm still thinking that we may see more buys, except maybe this month ends up ending as a doji. We don't know yet, but it's still early. But my thought is that we may see more buys maybe before a further decline, or maybe it may just continue that. The overall bias is still an expectation downward. Now, last month it broke through the 50 level. Let me show you the bigger picture again. So it's a pull down, a rise, and it went to the 61.8 level and broke through the 50 level, and it's actually kind of like below it. So far, it went, hit it, bounced back, went again, hit it, and bounced back. The overall bias in my mind is that it's supposed to go all the way down. But I'm thinking within this month, we may still see some pull up back, before that, decline happens. So it's kind of like exactly the same thing on Euro USD. For Euro USD, it got to the 38.2 level and pulled up above it. So it's like it just on it. So for Euro USD, it's not as clear as the Pound USD, in the sense that there's a support here. This is like a support zone. So there's actually a chance that Euro USD may actually go back as high as the 50% level. But the overall thinking, like I said, is still, my expectation is still biased all the way down. Now, and it's where the market is right now, it's kind of shows on daily. I'll show you just in a moment. Let me just go to the daily so that you see how it is. Now, last week, I talked about the fact that this rally that we had, that when we have a pullback on the rally, it will be an opportunity for us to place a buy and make some profit. Now, when it bought, it didn't go so much high, although it got to the, for Euro USD, from the 38.2 level. You could have taken some partial profits on it when it's bounced up high back. It's from the 38.2 level. It did about let's just say about 70 pips rally. So you could have made some profit from that while holding, while taking a partial profit on that. Now, so it's ranging around the 38.2 level. You get, and I said, if you're taking this trade, you can put a penny order at the 38.2, and at the 50, then put your stop loss just below it. So this trade still, since it's a daily trade, there's still a chance it may go up. However, if it pulls, it starts pulling down, um, use a tight stop loss, because remember the overall trend, like I said, is still downward. Now on Pound USD on daily, you switch to daily, it pulled a little bit more. You get, even though we're seeing long wicks, like we had the long wick here, long wick here. This was a breakthrough, then another doji. All these long wicks, rejections, and this doji, they are all kind of signs that there's a chance that this is still going to rally up. You get, there's a chance that this is still going to rally up. So if you had your penny order on the 38.2 and the 50, currently you may still be holding your trade, maybe just with the stop loss just a little bit below this current entry. Actually, I remember wanting us to use a stop loss not too far from the 61.8 you get level. So that's where it is right now. If your stop loss was hit already, then what you can still do is maybe enter another trade, use this current low again as your stop while targeting up. So if it just pulls down a little and hits it, you can leave the trade. But if it begins to rally very much high, meaning you have several multiples on your trade, you gain on your trade several times. You get, because all these rejections I'm seeing, there's a chance that I didn't, since the overall trend was downward, I didn't want us to use a bigger stop loss, because it's a correction mode and we could have a case of going up, going down. So no need to hold a very large stop loss. Just make it tight. You get. So that's the thoughts. So I'm also this coming week I'll be looking at taking a trade using that tight stop loss, maybe just below it, and expecting it to still rally. While I also expect the Euro USD to also still rally back up. So if this gave you value, please like and subscribe and share the video, and do have a beautiful weekend.